this is Diane from Spotahome, Valencia, and today I'm going to show you this 2-bedroom apartment right in the city center of Valencia. So let's take a look. Here we have the entrance to the apartment, and here in the front we've got the kitchen with the living room. So let's take a look at the kitchen first. So we've got the dishwasher. The kitchen is fully equipped. As you're going to see, all the apartment is amazingly decorated. I really like the decorations in this apartment. I think it's really cozy. So what's left in the kitchen? We've got the sink, electric stove with the oven, the microwave is right here, and the fridge is right here. Let's take a look at the fridge and the freezer. Now all the kitchen equipment you can find within the drawers and shelves in the kitchen here. As you can see, we got also the toaster, the coffee maker is right there. So the kitchen is really well equipped. We've got all the saucepans and frying pans right here, etc. Okay, so that was the kitchen. Now let's take a look at the living room. Now here we've got a wooden table with 6 chairs. As you can see, they're not cheap furnitures. They're really nice design furnitures all over the apartment, as well as the decorations are. Here we've got big chest of drawers with those decorations on it, and all the space available within the drawers. Here we've got the armchair. Here in front of the big sofa we've got this round wooden table, and TV is right here. Here we've got access to the balcony that is exterior with this view. As you can see, it's the old architecture of the city center. Okay, so now let's take a look at the bedrooms. So we move here in this corridor, and we have this almost 12-13 meters corridor connecting the living room and the bedrooms. So now bedroom number 1 is right here, in which you can find a double bed with all these walls decorated in Japanese style, and this built-in wardrobe right here, and another here with some shelves. Now here we've got the access to the balcony, as well as from the other bedroom. Yes, as you can see, here is the access from the other bedroom, and here we can find the washing machine. The washing machine with the drying options as well. Okay, so that was bedroom number 1. And now let's take a look at the bedroom number 2. Just right here. So also a double bed, chest of drawers on each side of the bed with the lamps, the same kind of built-in wardrobe. Here we've got also this decoration on the wall, and this lamp in the middle of the bed. Yes. Here's the air conditioner of this room. The previous bedroom also has the air conditioner, but this bedroom has got a private bathroom as well. So let's take a look. So we've got sink with a mirror, bidet, shower, and a toilet right here. So let's take a look now at the bedroom that is in general of the apartment. So here we've got the toilet, sink with a mirror again, and a bathtub. So we have both bathtub and a shower in this apartment. Alright, so I really hope you like the apartment. It's got perfect location, and it's really beautiful inside, as you've seen. So I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much. That was Diane from Spotahome, Valencia, and see you next time.